Hey y'all, I really like Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 75387 Lego Star Wars boarding the Tantive 4. 502 pieces, an 8+ set, 25 years of Star Wars, so it came out for the 25th anniversary of Lego Star Wars and includes the ARC Trooper 5's minifigure, which is one of the reasons I picked up this set. My daughter and I are both fans of the Clone Wars, especially ARC Trooper 5's, and what he did in the show is so impactful. I believe this is the only set of the 25th anniversary sets that I have, actually. Pretty sure of that. Maybe the Tantive 4. I'm not sure about that, but I think that might be. Yeah, the Tantive 4. That's also a 25th anniversary of Star Wars, but it didn't come with a minifigure. This is the only one that I own that comes with a 25th anniversary exclusive minifigure in the set. Looking forward to building this. And lots of good looking things in this set. Nice little diorama. And let's go ahead and let's get to it. welcome to my review of the Boarding the Tantive 4 set. And I like the way it looks. Yes, it's designed to be a play set. It has many different moving mechanisms that make it a play set. One of my favorites is probably that right there, where you can see like the battle damage when they blew the door open at the beginning of A New Hope. There's also several knobs on here that when turned will pop minifigures off. So that's pretty cool. I don't tend to use Lego as a play feature. I use it more as a display. And I will probably at some point create a diorama base for this. I know there's a few on Rubricable that I like to look up. I just need to pick one and build it. But this was actually a lot of fun to build. It means a lot of white and a lot of gray. But at the same time, there was some just really nice techniques. The minifigures, phenomenal. We get 2 stormtroopers. Of course, we get Darth Vader. I think that's already been used before. First appearance of Captain Antilles. 2 rebel troopers, and of course, the 25th anniversary minifigure. Probably the reason I picked up this set was ARC Trooper 5s. Unsung hero of the Clone Wars. If you know, you know. And it's so nice to be able to finally unbox this figure and have it on display. And they gave him the nice special 25th anniversary display stand. I like that a lot. Something else that I thought was really cool about the Stormtrooper minifigures in this set. So let me actually take them both off here real quick and remove their helmets, and you get 2 different heads. So it's actually just not 2 of the same head. You actually get 2, one male, one female. And I think that's really cool because, you know, you can do whatever you want with the Stormtrooper because you never see their helmet underneath their helmets until Finn showed up in Force Awakens. But overall, I enjoyed building this set. I'm looking forward to having this displayed on my shelf. I'm especially happy to have 5s finally out of box. And that concludes it for this review. Thank you for watching this far, and if you like what you've seen, please consider dropping a like and a subscribe on this channel to see more Lego content. And also, please consider following me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which are linked in the description below. That'll take care of it for today. Keep on building, guys. Bye.